What's up, friends? Right Knight here, and today we're going to be looking at another architecture series set. This time it's the Berlin Skyline, I guess. I got this on Amazon when it was on sale. Pretty neat little set. I've never built one of these Skyline ones before. It's got some, I guess it's just names of all the different features. Pretty neat. Anyway, let's put this one together. Alright friends, pretty quick little build. Not quite all in focus. Alright, as you can see there's, 5 different little buildings. This one is the Brandenburg Gate, which I believe they had a bigger set if you look back in my past videos. It's got some pretty cool little features of their iconic cityscape or whatever it's called. I like it. It's a pretty neat little addition. Didn't do much big detailing on the back, but that's alright. Anyway, these sets are still available if you decide you want one. Anyway, post your questions, comments, complaints, concerns down below. Just remember to keep it real, and we will see you next time.